Hi, colleagues and friends. Now today I want to record an update video on the channel. I'm excited. We've passed 2,900 subscribers. We're at almost 3,000 subscribers, and then that's an excellent achievement for the channel. And obviously it is thanks to all of you who've subscribed, all of you who watch the videos, and thank you for the likes, for your liking the videos, the comments, the questions, all that contributes to the growth of the channel. Now with 3,000 subscribers, there are some implications. The channel is now eligible for monetization, and I did that 2 months ago. And monetization simply means that YouTube will post adverts at the beginning and at the end of each video, and based on the revenue that they get, I get a little cut of that revenue. So monetization simply means I get paid or part paid for the content that I create, and then that is excellent news. The channel was monetized 2 months ago. There is little money trickling in. It is not much. I haven't been paid. My first payment, I have to reach a certain threshold. But I just wanted to update everyone that this is something that is positive. Now, in terms of the future of the channel, one, I want to continue with the focus on teaching. Now, so the channel has evolved. When I opened, I was posting some material just for fun, for sharing my passion in Mbira music, and posted, the performances from the Mbira colleagues and friends, such as Garikai Tirikoti, Matemai, Msekiwa Chingodza, some jamming sessions that I did with Bezel, but also posted teaching material. I think I started with Fumvu Paruzeva, posted something on Piligori, on Bangiza, on Chipembere, and then during the COVID times, decided to push the teaching materials a little more. So I did in a little more detail from Vuparozeva, and then Nemam Sasa we did in much more detail, the Kushaura part, the Kutsenera part, the singing, Nemam Sasa Epasi, as well as the Nemam Sasa bases. And then recently I've just completed the Chemtengure series with Chemtengure Kushaura 3 lessons, Chemtengure Kutsenera 3 lessons, in Chemtengure singing 2 lessons plus 2 demonstrations from my friends. So I think teaching is going to be the focus of the channel. I see that as a skill, as an area that I can contribute, and therefore I'm going to plan and teach a next song. I think it is Karigamombe. Karigamombe, simply because it is another beginner song, so that we have Nema Msasa and Karigamombe as the proper Mbira songs, and then the 2 phrase songs from Vuparozeva and Chemtengure. So that is one. I'm going to continue, and I'll organize myself and post lessons for Karigamombe. Now, but technology is moving. Technology is moving fast. The YouTube now offers paid subscriptions, so that is a second possibility. So if we are moving on teaching Karigamombe on the main channel, there is a possibility that we can have additional lessons to a select few who are prepared to subscribe to the channel and pay monthly subscriptions, small subscriptions, maybe $10 or maybe $20 a month. And then I can generate content, maybe a video a week, or 3 videos a month, to teach a second song. So if we're doing Karigamombe on the main channel, on the general channel that is public, to the paid subscribers, we can choose a song such as Bukatiende or Bangiza, and then start lessons there, and we can do it at the beginners level, or we can do it at the intermediate to advanced level, depending on those that are interested. Now this is a feature that is new, or relatively new, on the YouTube channel. I think people used to use the Patreon website for that, but I haven't taken a decision on this. I just want to mention it as a possibility going forward, and I want to sound you audience people, on whether some of you would be interested. And so please send me a message privately or on the channel, so that I can gauge whether we've got a critical number of people that are interested in that, that are interested to pay, a monthly subscription, and then we do, additional lessons on that paid for or subscription channel. So that is number 2. And then number 3, using this model of recording a video or recording video lessons, I'm opening up to private lessons. And then by private lessons, it means for a defined fee, I can send or upload a private video that one can access if I give you the link to learn a specific song. So this further expands it, that if we're doing Karigamombe on the main channel and we're doing Bukatiende on the subscription channel, if somebody is really interested in, say, Todzungaira or Bangiza or another song that I'm capable of teaching, then I can record such videos and send them, and for a fee, each video for a specific fee. And the way it would happen, or the way I would structure it, is pretty much the way I'm structuring videos, the teaching videos that I've done, that for every song we've got an introductory or a basic part, that is one lesson, and then a second lesson is exploration of the netetes, a third lesson is exploration of the left side, and then potentially a fourth lesson on the basses. Some songs have a signature part, but that depends on the song that we're doing. So some 4 or 5 lessons, for the Kushaura part, and then we could move to a Zinira part. We could move deeper, into other versions of the song. But I would record a 10 to 15 minute video and send it and accessible to only the person who's been given the link. So this is technology moving. We'll continue on the general channel, and I plan to do Karigamombe. I want to get an idea on whether people are interested, in a subscription channel. If we get enough people interested, then we can do another song, to people who've subscribed. And then privately, you can reach out to me, and then we can negotiate on a song, and I can teach privately. But I also want to say that there are songs that I'm very comfortable, that I'm very good at playing as well as teaching. If for example you request, a song that I'm not comfortable with, or that or the complexity or depth that I can't teach, I'm happy to collaborate with some of my teachers. Bezo Makombe is close by here in South Africa, although he travels to other places, but we can make arrangements so that we can record these teaching lessons and get them to you. In other words, while I'm focusing on what I can do, I want to open up the possibility that in collaboration with people who have specific skills, such as Bezo Makombe, if people are interested, say, in the Thomas Mapfumo's contribution to Mbira, this is something that we can collaborate with Bezel and record and do it privately, or maybe later through subscription, because we have to find ways of compensating him. But these are my 3 messages. The channel is growing. Thank you, for watching the videos, for liking them, for commenting, for subscribing. And we've recently monetized the channel. In terms of the future, I'll continue with a focus on teaching, and then my next song is Karigamombe. There is that possibility of opening a subscription channel. Please send a message to me if there are enough people that are interested in that. We'll proceed with that, and then I'm also open to some private requests for a fee, so that I can teach specific songs. Otherwise, it will take much time. When I do Karigamombe, it will take a few months, to go through the Kushaura, the Kutsinira, the Yepasi, the singing, and then the relationship with the Nyamaropa family songs. All right. To end, holding Mbira. This is a Nyamaropa Mbira. I think this could be a C in the key of C. It was made by Garikai Tirikoti, and it is in a nice white deze. Now there aren't too many dezes that are white, so this is one of my special dezes. I want to play Nyamaropa Huru. The part that I'm going to play could be taken as a kushaura part for Nyamaropa Huru. It's not the signature part. Nyamaropa Huru is also the same as Nyamaropa Pachigwedere. But some people can play this part and combine it with Mahuru. Let me try.